Welcome to Fabricville. Today, I'll show you how to sew a curved hem. Unlike a straight edge, a curved edge is longer along the cut edge than it is along the finished hemline. When you fold it up to make the hem, that extra fabric can easily create puckers. To prevent that, I start by sewing a line of long basting stitches about 1 cm from the raw edge without backstitching. Next, I gently pull one of the threads to create tiny gathers all the way around the curve. They'll help distribute the excess fabric evenly. Now I can fold the hem to the inside. Press it carefully and stitch it in place. And that's it! Those tiny gathers have distributed the excess fabric, giving you a smooth curved hem with no puckers. This technique also works for a single fold hem. In that case, I recommend finishing the raw edge first with a serger or an overlock stitch. Then it's exactly the same process. Sew a line of basting stitches, gently create the gathers, press the hem, and stitch it in place. And there you have it! Curved hems won't seem intimidating anymore. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for another Fabricville tutorial.